Okay, the title is Calculator Box 2-2, Multiplying and Factoring. Yeah, you pretty much know how to do these, so we're just going to run through with the polynomial, and you'll get it. And then the question, how do we find the GCF of a polynomial? What in the world is a GCF? Good. That's on my book. Okay. Greatest common factor. Factors that would be less than or equal to. We do a factor tree. Those numbers are usually less than, unless it's a prime, and it's equal to, right? Okay, so our first example says, what is a simpler form of the following? Example 1. What is a simpler form of 5n times the trinomial 3n cubed minus n squared plus 8? Question mark. What is a simpler form? We've been simplifying a lot all year. Simplify all the time. Oops, not that one. Yeah, it is. Is that on the screen? Oh, no. There it is. Alright, lucky person. Lucky person to tell me how to do this. Okay. How do I simplify that? What's a simple form? How do I do that? No, they don't division, and we don't subtract the powers. Then a monomial times a trinomial. Distribute and pass, right? 5n times 3n cubed. So guess what that be? N times n cubed. The answer is the same. When we multiply, we add. It's all 1, right? 1 plus 3 makes 4. Repeated and we multiply it. So 15 and the 4. When you multiply it with the fractions, when you multiply, everything changes. When you add, the exponent stays common, just like common denominators stay common. But when you multiply, everything changes. Okay? You dash to me when you stop. Josh, this one. Josh Barlow. 5n times, sorry, what did we get? It's a negative, right? Negative 5n cubed, because we combine the first power and second power makes cubes. Okay? And 5n times 8. Josh, pick another one. Do one pick. Alex, okay. Alex, 5n times 8. So if it's a positive, we'll put plus 40. And this is standard form because it's b to the same power. N to the 4th, n cubed, n to the 1st. Okay? That's for a simpler form or to simplify. That just means put it back in and distribute. Okay? So we can learn how to do that. Now you know how to use these little trinomials. New directions. What is the GCF of the terms? What is the GCF of the terms 3x to the 4th minus 9x squared minus 12x? Question mark. What is the GCF? What is GCF times 3? That's the greatest, that's the common, that's the factor, that's the less than or equal to. So what I would do is break it, take it piece by piece. I would look at the coefficients first, just ignore the x's for the time being. 3, negative 9, and negative 12. What's the greatest number that can divide into 3, negative 9, and negative 12? 3. Is it not 12? No, because we never be bigger than the smallest guy, right? So our greatest common factor, GCF, starts with a 3. But there's more to it. Do they share anything else? That's exponents. What do they share? The x's, the variable. So at most, how many do all of them have to get away? 1 is the smallest guy right there. Only has 1. So you can never take any more on the smallest guy. So in this case, the greatest common factor is 3x. Okay? Sometimes if you ask the greatest common factor, that's what you have to do. Ask for us to write the factor form. And we use the greatest common factor to do that. Example 3. Greatest common factor. The greatest number that can divide into 3, -9, and -12. It can't be any bigger than the 3, because that's the smallest one, right? If you pretend they're all positives. Yeah, if you pretend they're all positives. It can't be any bigger than the smallest guy. Alright, questions. What is the factor form of 9x to the 6th plus 15x to the 4th plus 12x squared? Question mark. Factor form takes 3 steps. The alignment's off. There we go. The first step is to identify the GCF, which we just went over how to do that. We'll practice it again. Identify the GCF, the greatest common factor. You know, I should have left my program. There you go. Okay, the second step is we're going to, I wrote it last time, I like how I wrote it last time. The second factor doesn't disappear, so write the GCF outside parentheses. It doesn't disappear. And lastly, you divide every term by the GCF, and that goes inside the parentheses. Okay, so with your neighbor, I want you guys to discuss and select what is the greatest common factor for our trinomial. 9x to the 6th plus 15x to the 4th plus 12x. What is the greatest common factor for that guy? And talk about with your neighbor and decide to agree. We're just doing number 1, identify the GCF. Did you get through the GCF? Good. Okay, the largest number that divides into 9, 15, and 12 is what? 3. Okay, so our GCF is 3. Then at most, how many x's do we all have to give? 2. The smallest family has 2. So 3x squared. So that's what our answer is. The question is asked for the factor form. So what we do is we write 3x squared and then leave parentheses because we want to simplify. Okay, step 3 is divide the term by every term by the GCF. So what I'm really doing is typing by a fancy form of 1. If I I include that in parentheses. If I multiply by 3x squared, then I also divide by 3x squared. Is that 1? So I'm going to do on average here is 3x squared divided by 3x squared, 1. Yeah, this is just a fancy form of 1. So that it cannot just disappear. It's going to be outside. Then we divide each term by 3x squared. So 9 divided by 3 comes out. What's that? 3. Now I want you to be here. Now shout this out. What is x to the 6 divided by x squared? Can you show me the x one again? X to the 6 divided by x squared. Show me the x one. What's the x one? It should be 4. We multiply the out 2. Subtract x to the 6. It's like having 6 x's divided by 2 and they cancel. It leaves 4. That's why it's subtraction. X to the 4. Plus 15 divided by 3. 5. X to the, not 4. 4 minus 2 is x squared. Plus 12 divided by 3. 4. So confusing here. How many x's will remain? X squared divided by x squared. Confusing here. How many x's will remain? 0. Because 2 minus 2 is 0. If you do 0 power is 1. And times it by 1. 4 times 1 is just 4, right? So we don't have to write it. There is our answer in factor form. We pull out the common factor and wrote what was remaining. And that changes the problem because if I took this 3x squared and I distribute it back inside like we did in number 1, we would get the original problem. So we haven't changed it, we just manipulated it into a different order. It still has the same value though. Does that make sense? Okay. All done? Okay. Okay, good. Okay, we want to try to be your neighbors. By the way, 3x squared, remember how we classified by degree of the first terms? And for the second degree, what would the name for 3x squared be? There's one term, so what's it called? Monomial. For this one, what degree is this one? Degree. Sixth degree. And then it's 3 terms, what do we call that? Trinomial. It tries to grow up 3 wheels. Third degree, trinomial. So this is really the product. The product of the monomial times the trinomial. Okay? Oops. Example 4. The interactions write in factored form. This guy. Negative 6x to the 4th minus 18x cubed minus 12x squared. Okay, follow the steps. 1, find the GCF. 2, make sure you write the GCF down. It doesn't disappear, it's outside the parentheses. 3, subtract divide every term with a GCF. what is the greatest? There's actually a couple of factors for omega 6 to negative 12. What is the greatest common factor? 2 is not the greatest. It is a factor. 3 is not the greatest either. 6. However, they all have something else in common. Negative. Negative 6. How many x's do all of them have to give? X squared. Okay? It can be equal to the small sky, but no more than the small sky. So now, we need to divide each term by negative 6x squared. I can do it individually so I can see each individual fraction. So don't forget, negative 6x squared, your GCF has to be in your answer. It can't just magically disappear. Okay. Let's see. Zach, can you tell me what negative 6 divided by negative 6 is? So right out, I got my negative, so negative divided by negative. 1%. Yeah. Not good. And then x to the 4th divided by x squared. The linear with x to the low power. Good. So 5 and 1 x squared. We had the one that we don't normally write that. Sabrina, what about negative 18 divided by negative 6? And yeah, because 3 minus 2 is 1 excess. Okay. Oops. Put this over here. Alright. Good job. Deja. Okay. What am I going to write these two? Any x's? Oh, the x's cancel out, so there's that answer. And if you want to check, make sure it's right, you just distribute it back in, make sure you get the original problem. Any question? Okay. Anyone have questions? So just pay attention to the fractions. If this is simplified, then that was just like number 1. If it says what's the GCF, that's all you have to do. If it says factor form, it's 3 steps. GCF, write the parentheses with the GCF outside, and then divide it out. I think that's all I have. So our assignment is, I should go to Canvas. Make sure I say it right. It's page 55, 1 through 31. Now, guys, this is not due until next Friday because the test is an important thing that's due on Monday. Wednesday will be questions. Friday will be due. And you're not knowing what you're supposed to do, I'm going to work on that first. We have like 20 minutes worth of class. If you are going to do this review, then I go ahead and start working on page 55. And then bring your book to make sure it's review. Football players, we'll see you later. Good luck with your game. Good evening. Right in. Cool. Yeah.